When kids become the ultimate judges, how Huskers harnessed AI to revolutionize vitamin reminders. Imagine a competition where the toughest critics aren't seasoned professionals, but curious elementary school children. That's exactly what happened at the University of Nebraska-Lincoln's 8th Annual Innovation Challenge, an event hosted by the Center for Entrepreneurship. Entrepreneurship.unl.edu. This year, teams from 6 different colleges on campus combined entrepreneurial strategies with cutting-edge artificial intelligence tools to create innovative products aimed at helping 10 to 12-year-olds remember to take their vitamins without needing constant nagging from parents. But here's where it gets controversial. Instead of traditional adult judges, the winners were chosen by the very kids these products were designed for. This unique twist forced participants to rethink their approach entirely. The 33 competitors came from a diverse range of disciplines, including the colleges of business, arts and sciences, engineering, journalism and mass communications, and the Hickson-Lied Fine and Performing Arts. Each team developed detailed child personas to gather authentic feedback and crafted paper prototypes to visualize their ideas before presenting them. This is entrepreneurship by doing, explains Samantha Fairclough, Associate Professor of Practice in Management and the mastermind behind the annual challenge. The heart of entrepreneurship lies in experimentation and prototyping. You take your ideas directly to potential users and ask, would this actually solve your problem? Marcus Helland, a junior majoring in hospitality, restaurant, and tourism management from Sioux Falls, South Dakota, initially approached the competition with low expectations, thinking it would be a typical classroom experience. I figured I'd be stuck listening to lectures all day, Helland admitted. Instead, I got to actively design, think creatively, and engage hands-on with a project that really focused on kids. It was a refreshing change. The presence of elementary school judges dramatically shifted the tone of presentations. Teams had to abandon their polished, academic pitches and instead communicate in a way that resonated with children. When the kids came in as judges, I was definitely nervous, said Annalise Erlbacher, a senior double major in computer science and management from Papillion, Nebraska. We had prepared a pitch for adults, so we had to quickly pivot and make it fun and understandable for the kids. After hearing all the presentations, the young judges asked insightful questions about cost, design, colors, and more. Ultimately, they crowned the team of Emma Cassaday, a senior marketing and business analytics major from Bellaria, Italy, Slade Reese, a junior advertising and public relations major from Spring, Texas, and Nikolay Sysoev, a senior business administration major from Sarasota, Florida, as the winners. Their creation, Zippy, is an interactive device that plays music and gently reminds kids to take their vitamins, striking the perfect balance between fun and functionality. The secret to our success was naming it Zippy and making it interactive, Cassaday shared. Kids don't want to be treated like toddlers. They crave technology that gives them a sense of independence. Sysoev revealed that the team's original idea was quite different. At first, Zippy was designed to stop music as a reminder, but a child tester told us he preferred it as a friendly companion rather than a bossy interrupter, he said. That feedback completely changed our approach. Reese emphasized how tailoring their pitch to the kids' perspective was crucial. Kids want to feel grown up. We adjusted our presentation to match their age and interests, he explained. It's one thing to learn about knowing your audience in class, but this challenge made it real. The young judges themselves found the experience eye-opening and inspiring. I want to attend this university someday, so I was excited to see how this works, said Reagan Schultz from Pirtle Elementary School in Lincoln, Nebraska. I sometimes forget to take my vitamins, so this project really hit home. I was surprised by how creative the ideas were, and everyone did an amazing job. Silas Rodriguez, a judge from Arnold Elementary School in Lincoln, admitted that being surrounded by college students was intimidating at first. But he focused on the ideas to pick a winner. What made Zippy stand out was that it was like a friend who could play music, Rodriguez said. It was great meeting everyone and helping decide the winner. The Innovation Challenge draws students from a wide array of fields who want to sharpen their teamwork skills in a customer-focused, design-driven environment. It also teaches them to be flexible and responsive to feedback. Building something tangible after brainstorming was the best part, Erlbacher reflected. We also had to quickly adapt once we realized kids would be judging us. Fairclough pointed out that this adaptability is exactly the lesson. Entrepreneurship isn't just about having a great idea, she said. It's about combining proven methods with new technology, testing your concepts, learning from feedback, and most importantly, understanding your audience. So, what do you think? Should kids be the ultimate judges in innovation competitions? Does involving the target audience at such a young age truly lead to better products? Or could it oversimplify complex entrepreneurial challenges? Share your thoughts below. Let's get the conversation started.